Katatuan! Iyan ang dinakay darang miyembro na ng Pampanga-based literary performance art group a Paper Soul king karelang 6th anniversary show. Merapat ya iti king Casa Tigre Cantina, King Angeles City anyang November 18. Mikiti tuluya iting, so eto na nga? Asasabyan da rin tao pa siyatin lang ikwento o ichismis. O neng keng karelang meging show, aliya mo dikil king tutu at ali ing karelang dinake. Meging laman nala mo rin den performances deng aranasan dareng artist. Bakit dala naman den kalaraman ang meging ng katutuan king lipunan.
It was a challenge for me to write that piece. I had to revisit the pain and kumbaga keng term magagamitan tamo ngeni mag-relapse ko para mo keng pyesa nga ita. And syempre, itang inspiration na talaga nita is itang pain aranasan ko dati. So I'm letting go of the pain and of the person who hurt me.
May gitrentang spoken word poetry artists at musicians den pepakit galingan king milabas ang event. Abe na keni rang resident artist ning grupo, Kapampangan Groups kalupa darang Temawa Experience, Essay Collective, Dos Islas at ing Bandang Romaine. Atin muring many batan king ngaliwang lugal kalupa darang king Laya PH, ang pangrem pamosong spoken word artist sa Ilamaymay Cantellano, Jonel Revistual, at award-winning author ay Paulo Chausas. Metong karem menalbe ipoeta laureado Alvin Ignacio a kilalaking awos sa Bertong Esponga. Agpangkaya, kaya benanerin ning poesya ing mahuhusong ning spoken word poetry.
Dining dindam tamong piyesa dareng kapatid tamo kayong Paper Soul, ang poreng aliwata pang bisita. Masanting lang, pong malalam lang, atin lang baga. Yung mahusong yan itang sandang hugot na kayong Tagalog. Masanti lang, malaman lang, manikwata mong aral gamit tamo kayong pamibiyebe, kayong Aldoldo.
Samantala, pasibayo yung maging partina ng Sinukuan Festival 2023 in Paper Soul.
This coming December 2, we actually have our Siwala ning Suli sa Cityfront Mall, which is we are part of Sinukuan Festival and we're really excited to really join this at the second time, para at least mas lalo pa naming mahikayat yung mga audience namin in terms of how Paper Soul really love doing work, doing arts, and at the same time helping our co-Kapampangan artists to really showcase their talents as well.
Kayabe Henry Wanta, ako po yung kakayong Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.